Kia ora, that's hello from New Zealand. I'm Wayne, creator of Wordtoons, and I'd like to thank you for coming along here tonight. Special big thanks to all the kids there at Commodore Perry that chose Wordtoons as their book for the reading night. And a big thank you to the parents as well, and Mrs. Curry, Mr. Moses, and as well Principal Lily. Yes, that's right. And speaking of Principal Lily, I've got a special Wordtoon for you. I'm going to show you all tonight because you're all learning about study techniques and ideas about learning. Wordtoons is a really good fun thing for learning, and I've got a special one I want to show you. Let's have a look. Okay, here's a special Wordtoon for you, and what we do, we take the words principal, but we want to know the difference between this one, meaning something like a rule, versus this one, pal. And this one, being the head of your school, is your pal. The difference here, the PLE and the PAL, is the principal is your pal. But let's make it a little bit more fun than that. Here we go. Okay. Like that, and we come down here. And what have we got over here? Let's give you some eyes, some eyelashes, nice big smile, because it's a lovely happy job working at Commodore Perry. And there we go, Principal Lily. Principal Lily? Well, how about we add this to the picture? There we go, it's like a little bit of a, it's a bit of a lily. There we go. So as you see, Wordtoons, they can be fun, but they also help you connect knowledge to your imagination. Thanks a lot, bye bye, and have a fun night.